if you are looking for like the perfect all-in-one coffee machine, the Hamlin Beach FlexBrew is your way to go. So over here is like your normal coffee machine. You got your 12 cup, and it runs just how like a normal coffee machine is gonna run. You have your little spout here, and then the water goes in back here. And then you can set the time. You can delay brew. So like if you, it says AM, it is PM, but our power went out. You can delay brew. So like if you want to make your coffee at 6 a.m., it will brew it for you. You have your choice between your pot, and then you have your single, and that is over here. So basically it's just like a K-cup. And the nice thing about this is that this comes out and you can use any sort of K-cups. And then my other favorite thing about this is it comes with like a reusable one, so you can just fill this with your coffee grounds. Like I have like all my coffee grounds up here, and I can just scoop and fill that, and they both just fit easily in there. And then it has a water reservoir. Mine is 56. And then if there it goes.
Ounce and not even 4 ounces, and there we go.
This is the FlexBrew. As you can see, I brewed a pot of coffee on the Carafe side and the Flex side. We have the K-cup option in there. There is also one of these that opens up. If I can actually get it. There we go. You use this, which comes with a little filter in there and everything, to brew single cups of grounds. Only issue is that your standard coffee cup from Starbucks doesn't fit. See? But that is your standard size. Everything else so far fits under there. I love this thing. This is awesome. It is definitely a very good purchase. In which case I would highly suggest getting one.
This needle is perfectly clear. I've cleared it. There's nothing in there. Right here we have a 12 cup Keurig and coffee maker. Here's the coffee, for the water in the back, and here's for coffee, as well as it does for Keurigs. Comes out. Easy cleaning. Here's the water for the Keurig. A little drip pan, 12 cupper for the carafe. You got a set time, you can delay the brew. Here's for single cups. And there it is.
Unplugged and smoking.
So we can see that the carafe is stopped brewing, but instead of saying hold warm, it still says brewing. But if you look down on it, you can see there's a keep warm option that never lights up. There. So that's kind of strange.
Proxima.
Super weird. It's wet all right there. And there's like moisture